there are three basic components of a firearm. Number one, stock. Stock. In this particular firearm, what you see, the wooden part is the stock. Number two, action. Action. The exact mechanism of loading of the projectile and you pull the trigger, the firing pin hits the base of the cartridge so that cartridge leaves. All these mechanism together is action. I will explain one by one. And thirdly, barrel. Barrel. Barrel is generally nothing but a steel tube. Okay, I will explain one by one, then you will understand. That's why I said. At the end, you will understand properly. I will see that you understand properly. Number one, stock. What is stock? Stock, as you know, it is the part of the firearm that is held by the shooter. That is held by the shooter. Say, for example, in this particular gun, you just hold at one end, proximal end and distal end. Which part you hold? You hold the wooden part here. Okay. So, as you see, this is the stock. It also serves as a platform for supporting the action and the barrel. The stock also serves as the platform for supporting the action and the barrel. Okay. The proximal part of the stock, so for example, in a shoulder gun like this, which touches your shoulder, is known as butt. Butt. The butt in shoulder guns, normally butt, you keep it over the shoulder. Okay. At the same time, where you hold the stock with your, if you are a right-hander, the part what you hold with the left hand is the grip. Okay. Now, thirdly, forestock, which supports the action as well as the barrel, that is known as forestock. No need that you have to hold only at the grip. You can hold at the forestock also. You can hold at the grip also. Sometimes you may hold the grip and with the forefinger you pull the trigger. Other hand you will hold the forestock. It all depends on the shooter. Or some strong people straight away will hold at the grip with a single hand. They may shoot you on the shoulder guns. Okay, just try to get some basic idea. Okay. Now, this is another picture, enlarged picture, where you can see the butt and grip of the stock.